Example 8F. So now we're going to do a binomial times a trinomial. And we're going to do the same thing. In our binomial, we've got two items, right? So I want you to first take the first item and I want you to distribute. You want to multiply it with the first, then the second, then the third. So let's go ahead and do that. That's simple, right? So this is the same as if, let's do that. Will this make a difference? Okay, never mind that. Let's go ahead and answer the question. X times x squared. So that's going to be x to the power of 3. Then we do the second one. Negative 3x squared y. And x times 2y squared is positive 2xy squared. That is the first term multiplied by the bracket. Now we're going to distribute the second term, which is negative y. Let's multiply it with the first one. So this gives me negative x squared y. If I look at my answer, I can see here I've got x squared y. So I'm going to write this item underneath that one, where the x squared y are lined up, and in front of it is negative 1. Okay, let's do the next one. Negative, so just looking at the letters, I'm going to have xy squared. Here's xy squared. So I'm going to write it under that, and I'm going to say, okay, minus and minus is plus. Make sure it lines up. 1 times 3 is 3. That lines up. Xy squared. Then my last one is going to go over there, and I'm going to say, okay, y squared times y is y cubed. I don't have any y cubes in blue, so it's going to stand on its own on the far right. And I say minus times plus is minus. 1 times 2 is 2, y cubed. Once I've done this, I've multiplied twice, right? I've done the x 3 times, so there are 3 terms because it happens 3 terms in the trinomial bracket. And then I have 3 pink terms as well in the trinomial bracket. Now I'm going to draw a long equal sign, and I'm going to do addition going downwards. And I'm going to say x cubed plus nothing is x cubed. Negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4x squared y. Positive 2 plus 3 is positive 5xy squared minus 2y cubed. That's my final answer.